Chapter 9 Thermochemistry Exercise 9.39 You pack 2 identical coolers for a picnic, placing 24 12-ounce soft drinks and 5 pounds of ice in each. However, the drinks put into cooler A were refrigerated for several hours before you packed them in the cooler, while the drinks you put into cooler B were slightly heated by the sun. When you opened the 2 coolers 3 hours later, most of the ice in cooler A is still present, while nearly all of the ice in cooler B has melted. Explain the difference. The drinks that were slightly heated by the sun in cooler B had, over here, I would say, more thermal energy than the drinks that were refrigerated for several hours. Thermal energy is proportional to the temperature of the object. So over here, this drinks slightly heated by the sun have higher temperature than the drinks that were refrigerated. That means they have higher thermal energy. So over here, I would say more energy, more thermal energy. A temperature difference between the drinks in cooler B and the ice was, well, over here, it's going to be greater than the difference between the drinks and the ice in cooler A. We can just estimate roughly. If drinks were slightly heated by the sun, well, I'd say the temperature is roughly 30 degrees Celsius-ish. Refrigerated, 3 degrees Celsius. Ice, 0 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between the drinks in cooler B and ice, well, is 30 minus 0. That's 30. And over here, it's about 3 minus 0, which is 3. So over here, we're going to be choosing greater than. Since in cooler B, more thermal energy was transferred. Alright. When you have a larger temperature difference, there's going to be more thermal energy transferred. And the thermal energy was transferred from a higher temperature object, from drink to ice, right? This led to a almost complete melting of the ice in it.